Okay, Philippine Marines. What a bad day, huh? Look at this weather. Hey, Koya! That guy walks around with his snake. And he cleans his drains. He'll walk up and down National Highway here. Oh my God, look at this weather. Hello. Good, I got an umbrella, I guess, huh? Wow, this is a bad day. So far, staying dry. I can't really move around very much. Just hoping no car comes up behind me on the wrong side of the road. Okay, we got us a wet day today. One of my subscribers, Kevin, he made a great statement. He said, rainy season is just starting and I'm tired of it already. I can definitely relate to those words. Definitely. Okay, see these guys on the bikes? They come from down San Antonio, Philippine Navy. Oh yeah, rainy season. You have to be careful walking around areas like this. You got mud mixed in with the leaves. Slippery. Trust me. All right. Now that is one yellow umbrella. Okay, rain's kind of slowing up for the time being. Yeah, you get an insight of what Barrio Barretto looks like in the rain. I think today's a good day to be in Angeles City. Alright, chill bar. Met a couple of nice young ladies there. One is named April, the other is Marianne. And the chill bar opens at 2 o'clock, 1400 military time. Big shout out to Marianne and April of the chill bar. Come on, guys, stop in and buy them a drink. Young ladies work hard. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to shoot video inside at this time, but you know how that goes. Step by step. Baby steps. Well, it's been raining for like 4 days now. Really not good weather. Yep, it's a good day to stay inside. But that's not my style. Yes, Barcelona, wet spot, green room, sitting booth. Tindahan ni Juan. They got a lot of canned goods and stuff like that. Never really went upstairs there to check it out. Have to do that one of these days. Okay, Kids Playland here in Barretto. Good morning. How are you? Like I said, they have Kids Playland. Opens 1 o'clock. So I think it's 8 p.m. 100 pesos, unlimited time limit. Right here on the ground floor of the Barcelona building there. I looked inside, it's really nice. Air conditioned. Keep the kids from being bored here in Barrio Barretto. Wow, it's been raining for days. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Take care.